blah, 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 pine cones. The winter wind is cold, the winter wind is cold. We're going to have a story. Oh. Okay. There we go. And then you could make footprints. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's not very clear maybe on the camera. Looks a little bit better to me than it might to you. You could make footprints. I think I'm going to draw mine. Full, you put your left mitten in, your left mitten out, in, out, and shake it all about. You do the snow. They give birth to live young, and there are lots of fun facts to learn about birds. There are lots of fun facts to know about. One fact about them is that they are nocturnal. So when we did our lesson, we're going to sing it 4 times. We have 4 different things that we're going to do. We're going to pretend to be owls. I didn't even say the most interesting facts. In Kidlington that I've seen, definitely up Almond Avenue. Snowdrops, snowdrops. Blows when the wind blows. We're going to hang our heads. Then I say, go away, snowdrops.